Hey everybody, I'm Rocco DiSpirito. Welcome to Healthy Substitutions on DrOz.com. Hey, it's great to see you cooking in the kitchen. Today I'm making a chocolate smoothie dessert. Let's get started. Here's what you do. You need a nice powerful blender like this one. We're gonna add some water to it. The next thing that goes in is cocoa powder. Now, cocoa powder is where all the flavor of chocolate comes from. It doesn't come from the fat and the sugar and all the other stuff that you find in chocolate. It's cocoa powder. And those percentages that you see on chocolate bars, the 60, 70, 80%, they refer to the amount of cocoa powder in chocolate. The more cocoa powder, the better it is for you. Cocoa powder goes in there. Next thing is skim milk powder. It's just the protein of the milk. It's got lots of vitamin D, folic acid in it. The next thing that goes in is a sweetener. The sweetener is monk fruit extract, monk fruit in the raw, simple monk fruit and nothing else. This will sweeten the smoothie without any aftertaste and no calories. And then the secret ingredient. This is sugar-free, fat-free, and gluten-free chocolate fudge jello gelatin. How good is that? This is gonna also add some thickening ability to the smoothie so it looks like a smoothie. Okay, so first thing you do is blend these ingredients together before we add the ice. You want a blender that has an adjustable speed because you want to start out slow in the beginning. And this blender also has this magic wand, which allows you to mix the ingredients as they blend. And now I'm going to slowly speed it up to make sure all these ingredients are blended. Gonna put it on high now. All right, we're good. Now I'm gonna turn it back down to 0 because when I add the ice, I don't want the ice to pop right out of the top of the blender. All right, look at this. It already looks like a delicious chocolate smoothie, but this is obviously a base that would taste too strong if we didn't add ice. Okay, let's add the ice. Now I'm gonna add half at a time. Even though this is a very powerful blender, I'm only adding half at a time. Might as well be conservative. If you could smell this right now, you wouldn't believe it. It smells like the most delicious chocolate thing you've ever had in your life. All right, we're gonna start the blender again, on low. Get that ice moving, because you know what happens. Sometimes the ice freezes up and it just stops working. Slowly add the speed. All right, now I'm gonna add the rest of the ice now that I know the ice is mixed in and there is no problem with it freezing. Adding the rest of the ice. So that would be 6½ cups. This is the other 3 cups. And by the way, I'm a messy cook. If you're a messy cook, welcome to the club. Okay, turn it on again, start real low. And now we're gonna rip it, like we say in the kitchen. All right, guys, ready for this? I just want you to see this. Do you understand what's going on here? How good this is going to be? Now, if you wanted to turn this into a breakfast smoothie or a meal replacement smoothie, you could easily by adding egg white powder or whey powder for protein. One guy came up a little short. We'll give that to the little kid. Let's see how it tastes. Definitely want to serve this with a spoon. Wow. The original, 990 calories, 31 grams of fat. Mine, only 91 calories and 1.5 grams of fat. That is nothing short of a miracle and a magic trick. With the healthy substitutions that we made today, this is one shake you will not regret drinking. So click below for the full recipe. Thanks for joining me on DrOz.com, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.